What is going on, guys and gals? We're on our way to the river right now. We're in a rush because I've got a short little window in between rain, and we do have some thunder. But yeah, we got rain. We've been getting on and off rain today all morning, and it's about, I can't see my watch, about 1 o'clock, about 10 after 1. So it's supposed to be another batch of like severe thunderstorms coming through in another hour, hour and a half. So I'm just trying to hit the water real quick, catch a couple fish, and then ditty mile back to the car before I get soaked and or struck by lightning. So but yeah, we're gonna make our way there. We're almost there. Get down, start casting, see if we can't pull a couple largies. Or smallies, I'm sorry. We're smallmouth fishing. Yeah, stuff's a little spooky. And it feels like it's over top of you like that, but hi, see you on the water. Yeah, this stuff is moving in. We don't have a lot of time. I might get caught in it, but I'll hide out underneath the railroad bridge here to try to stay as dry as possible. Not really worried about rain. It's the thunder and lightning gets a little spooky, but it's not like we're out on open water. So oh yeah, baby. All right, we brought one rod today. I've got a new rod. It's the Daiwa Tatula. It's a 7'1" medium light power fast action rod. It's going to be my new dedicated Ned rig rod. My old rod that I've had for a number of years was just starting to wear out at the handle, so it'll be like a backup Ned rig rod, but wanted to get a new one, so I got one. This will be my first time using it. And today we're not starting off with a Ned rig, but a Ned rig style finesse bait, I guess. This is the Nico Zaza Leech. It's on a I think it's on a 1/15 ounce jig head, 1/16 ounce thereabouts. So yeah, we're gonna start off throwing that and see what happens, man. Whoa, I almost fell in. We're wet wading, man. Water temps are starting to warm up. It's not too bad. You know, I don't really need the waders anymore. I've got some Crocs on. I don't know if you can see them, and some neoprene socks. So hopefully I got some decent traction, and my feet are pretty warm. So as long as my feet stay warm, I'm a happy camper. Yeah, this water's a little, or the weather's a little spooky right now with the thunder, but I don't know how much of a trip this is going to be. I don't want to spook anything if there's something right in here. Oh, I see a bass right there. It's a good sized bass too. It's right there, dude. These guys on VIDS. This guy looks like he's on a bed right there. Oh, he was on it. He was on it. There we go, got him. Got him. Nice. Not a hugie, but not bad. Come on, brother. Come on over this way. That's a nice one. It is a nice one. He's not worthy. Come on, we can get him to come in. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. It is a nice one. My bad, dudes. It is a nice one. I didn't think it was that nice. It's a decent. It's at least a 3, probably a 4 pounder, I'd say. Let's get this hook out of his mouth. On the Nico Zaza leech, baby. There we go, man. That's a nice. That's probably a 4 or 5 pound smallmouth right there. Beautiful smallie. Awesome. Yeah, baby. Beautiful. Awesome smallmouth. Get him back in the water. There he goes. Well, here comes the rain. I might have to head back to the car and come back out after this passes. It's supposed to start coming down here pretty good at about, I don't know. Originally it was saying 2:30, but it might come quicker. All right, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna head back to the car, man, because I think there's gonna be some thunder and lightning here soon. I mean, there's thunder, it's in the distance, but I think it's moving in on us. It's getting closer. And we're gonna go back to the car. We're gonna go ahead and wait it out and then come back to the water once it's passed. Because I think once this last bit of rain comes through, / thunder, we're gonna be good to go. I don't feel like getting soaked and I don't feel like getting struck by lightning, so. Okay, made it back to the car. We're not too soaked. It's still coming down, but it's not super heavy, so. Like I said, we'll go ahead and wait it out in here. I think whatever's coming, it's going to be the rest for the day. We can go back out and fish. I'll check the radar here in a second once I get inside the car. All right, it's 1:45, so let's go ahead and look at our radar map here. And we got some nasty stuff coming. We're gonna break for a second, but then we're gonna get another nasty hit about 2:30 going on to 3. It's not gonna clear up until after 4. I don't know if I want to wait around for 2 hours and some change, but we'll see. Okay, man, we've been sitting in the car for about an hour and a half waiting this rain out. It finally slowed down. It's still raining, but it's not as heavy as it was, so making our way down to another location and see if we can't get another smallie or 2. Temps dropped probably 10 to 15 degrees, so it's not as nice as it was just say a couple hours ago, but yeah, we'll give the old college try, man, see what happens. All right. Okay, here we are. See we can't get another smallie or two. Alright. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, man. Decided to change it up and put the Ned rig on for this new spot, so let's get her out there. Whoa. There we go, got one. Oh, yeah. Just drifting it through this hole right here. Nothing massive, but I'll take it, man. Second smallie. Only been out here, back out after sitting in the car after the rain. Only been here for maybe 5-10 minutes, man. That's probably my 4th, 5th, 6th cast. There we go. Little resident smallie. Nothing huge, but at the top there. Beautiful little fish though, man. Let him go. He's out of here. He's out. Oh yeah, we got one. We got another one. Another small guy. This might be smaller than the last one, but that's okay. Yeah, buddy. Man, they fight like crazy. Come here, buddy. We'll let you go. Get up here. Yeah, there you go. Small jaws, number 3. Beautiful. Small jaws. There he goes. We're gonna move upriver a little bit and check out a couple more holes. We're gonna go ahead and move upriver a little ways, maybe a 1/4 mile, half mile. There's a couple holes I want to hit, so try to find some bigger smallmouth. Looking for some smallies that are in from the big lake, getting ready for spawn. So let's do it. Burping up those sardines I ate earlier before I left the house. Oh yeah. That's kind of freaky, man. Camera probably doesn't do it justice, but this whole area is just like washed out. It's almost like a sinkhole, man. Kind of freaky. All right, we're almost there. A little bit of a travel. Okay. Speeders are bad. There we go. Yeah. Sinking right in that mud. So there's 2 holes I'm gonna hit. One's right there, and then there's another one over there. We're gonna hit this little hole just past this log right here. This felled tree. Right in there. Oh, was that a snag or was that a... I think that was a snag, but I don't know for sure. I'm gonna get right up on this log right here. Okay. I'm gonna cast over that log over there, that area. Oh, there we go. We got something. What we got? Oh yeah, we got something. It's feeling some drag, but it doesn't feel big. It's in the current, so. But yeah, it doesn't feel big. Like another resident smallie. Oh, you know what, man? I got eyes on. It might be a little bit bigger. Trying to go under this log right here. What we got? It's not bad, man. Yeah. We're gonna nut you, buddy. Just cause if I can get you to come in a little bit closer. Come on, come on. Yeah. Oh, it looks like we snagged him. Oh no, we got him in the corner. He's not a bad one, man. He's not a bad one. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. It just came out. Yeah, he's not bad. He's a chunky, probably 1.5, probably a 2-pounder, I'd say. Not huge, but he's nicer than those last couple dinks we caught. Awesome. Made the trip up here worth it. It's a little bit of a walk. That's okay. A little adventure. A little exercise. All right, let's get him back in the water, man. Awesome. There you go, buddy. He's out. Okay, awesome, man. To me, that was worth it all by itself, but maybe we can grab a couple more up this way. Let's cast over there again, man. That nice little dead water. Right off the seam. Oh yeah, there we go. We got, no, that's a snag, my friends. Son of a gun. There, we got it out. Okay, that's a sign to move on. Got a snag, got it out. Let's go try this other hole. All right. I gotta get these rocks out of my Crocs. I got rocks in my Crocs. All right, we got 4 smallies. We're gonna try another hole just right around the corner from this island right here. Show it to you. Yeah, this is like a little, I came across from that way. We just caught that smallie right there, right over that side. This is like a little island right here in the middle of the river. So we're gonna go right around it, walk right along the shore here. And there's a hole on the far shore over that way. Right where that fallen tree is. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a nice little hole right there. We're gonna hit that bad boy. Caught some decent smallies in that little hole right there, back to back. So I'm just gonna kind of drift it through and bounce it off the bottom. Oh yeah, we're loading up. We are loading up. Is that a snag? That is a snag. Ah, I got it out. I thought it was, for sure, I thought it was a smallie. I thought it was a nice smallie. All right, folks, I'm gonna call it, man. It's about 5 o'clock, a few minutes before, 5-10 minutes before. Got a long walk back to the car, almost a mile. And want to get home, see the family, have some dinner. So ended the trip with 4 smallies, 2 dinks and 2 decent sized ones. Got interrupted with rain, had to sit in the car for an hour and a half, 2 hours almost. Wait out some rain, so kind of cut our fishing short, but it is what it is. Got outside still and got some smallies, and I'm a happy camper. So, and it's starting to rain, but As always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah. Time to get home. Time to get home.